Recent talks of dire wolves being brought back from extinction leaves a lot of unanswered questions, the main one being why. Amid lots of skepticism whether these are actually dire wolves or genetically modified gray wolves, do you know what it would require to bring these animals back from extinction? Here it goes. First, scientists will have to find preserved DNA, which is very rare. To clone an animal, scientists need intact, high-quality DNA, not fragmented DNA from fossils, like those found in the La Brea tar pits. These tar pits are great for bones, but terrible for DNA, since heat and chemicals degrade it. What is needed is a frozen, well-preserved dire wolf body in permafrost, like we've found for some mammoths. Then, scientists would have to sequence and reconstruct the genome. If enough DNA are recovered, scientists could attempt to reconstruct the entire genome. This is like putting together a 3D jigsaw puzzle made of fragile, ancient puzzle pieces. We've done this for mammoths and Neanderthals, so it's possible, just really hard. What is needed, though, is high-powered gene sequencing tech, plus advanced bioinformatics. Then, they would have to choose a surrogate species. Cloning needs a surrogate mother, an animal to carry the embryo. Modern wolves or large dogs, like Alaskan Malamutes, are the best candidates. But remember, dire wolves aren't just big wolves, they're genetically distinct, so compatibility could be tricky. What could be done instead? Genetically modify a gray wolf embryo to carry as many dire wolf traits as possible. If scientists can't get enough real DNA, they could try genetic engineering. Start with gray wolf DNA, use a gene editing tool to modify it to match dire wolf traits. This would create a proxy dire wolf, not 100% authentic, but close in looks and behavior. Think of it like a modern version of a dire wolf. Not the same species, but a tribute with fangs. Now the scientific community is calling out a bio company for a stunt involving dire wolves that's been extinct for 10,000 years. The company called Colossal Biosciences claimed to use deft genetic engineering and ancient DNA to breed 3 dire wolves last year. 2 of the baby wolves, born in October, are seen howling in a viral video on Monday. The video was captioned, "You're hearing the first howl of a dire wolf in over 10,000 years." But not so fast. Here are some comments from skeptical experts. Zoologist Philip Seddon from the University of Otago in New Zealand explained the animals are simply genetically modified gray wolves. Paleogeneticist Dr. Nick Rawlins, also from Otago University, explained that even if enough dire wolf DNA was discovered, it is too degraded and damaged to biologically copy or clone. Ancient DNA is like if you put fresh DNA in a 500-degree oven overnight, Dr. Rawlins told BBC News. It comes out fragmented, like shards and dust. So with these recent pups being quote-unquote brought back from extinction, we have to ask, where would real dire wolves live and hunt? What would they eat? Could they survive in today's ecosystems? What if it turns out to be a real-life Jurassic Park? Can you imagine what that would be like? So tell us, do you think those recent pups are actually dire wolves or genetically modified gray wolves? That's it for today on Curious Gate. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell for notifications so you don't miss when we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious.